Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for SendGrid, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the SendGrid website at sendgrid.com. Click on the Start for Free button located on the home page. You will be redirected to the sign up page. Here, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a unique password, ensuring it meets the security requirements. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Select the Create Account button to proceed. You will now receive a verification email in your inbox. Check your email and click on the verification link provided. This will take you back to the SendGrid platform. Next, fill out your profile information. Provide your first name, last name, and company name. Choose your country from the drop-down menu. Enter your phone number, ensuring it is accurate. Select your primary use case for the service from the options provided. Once you have completed all fields, click on the Continue button. You may be prompted to provide additional details based on your use case. Follow the on-screen instructions as needed. Upon completion, you will reach the dashboard. Congratulations, your SendGrid account is now registered. You can start exploring the various features and services offered. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.